1, 2, 3, fuck.
Oh.
But what do we got? We got some of your friends coming by, right?
Yeah, some of my friends got
photo bros.
We got Tag DF, Clyde, Alex. Yes.
Already snapping photos. Look at you.
Just chilling, man.
If you guys don't know Tag, I don't know what you're doing. If you don't know Alex, you now know him. And if you don't know Clyde, he's from the Philippines, so you wouldn't know. No, I'm just kidding. We are currently out here with the boys. We're going to shoot Clyde's car. Danny Heats, 370Z, Heat, Z, Heat, Tag, Alex, Z. Clyde's. Yo, Tag, turn around. You've been repping this hat in every shoot.
I think that older than Cody's hat.
I got this the first time I met you about like 2 years ago or something. Yeah, this thing has been destroyed. I also used to wear it at my other job too.
I made it look a new forehead in Lightroom.
We should retire that one.
I'm gonna hang it up somewhere.
Pounds of raging glory.
Well, you think it's gonna fit though?
We'll take your wing off if it doesn't.
What, underneath the whole thing? Wait, you're going for it right now?
Yeah. Maybe not underneath the whole thing, but let's see if we can like.
Wait, what do you mean take off the wing?
Like back up under the.
And like link it underneath there.
And pull it.
You know what, better? Let's just try it. Let's try.
Alright. 240?
Huh?
A 240? Or a Honda Ruckus?
Both. Both, yo.
Oh, nice seats.
Thanks. It's guy for a steal though.
Ooh. Let's hear this exhaust lead. I'm gonna try and vlog with the Ronin S right now, but Clyde is pulling into the back lot that we usually drift. He wants to go underneath this semi truck real quick, the trailer, get some photos with Tag, and yeah, there's like a cool like abandoned building that's over there, so it makes vlogging look really freaking cool.
Keep the wheel cut. Yep. Now back up. Keep going. Bring it down. Keep the wheel cut. What? Yeah. Yep. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. Straight. How much farther back we got?
Keep going.
Wait, don't tell me you can get underneath that. I don't do that.
You can't get them underneath this peg.
You're good right there. Dump it out. Damn. All right.
Safe.
That's why you got an exhaust leak.
By your first 317, I can pull this shit. We'll pull away with it later, I promise.
Hey Danny, what you doing?
Filming, bro.
Oh dude.
Crazy, isn't it?
Yo, sick, bro.
Yo.
How's that B-roll coming?
Yo, B-roll's coming great.
All right, cool, because I'm going to pause halfway through B-roll and be like, dude, B-roll!
Out of my mind. 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 Out of
shaking because it's cold out here. I love how the gold looks. Is that 24 karat, Bruno Mars?
It's It's 18 karat.
18 karat. Oh my God.
Actually, hold up. Yeah, look, who's man? Who man is that? We're hitting golden hour out here, boys.
Damn, that's a fat Asian
Hey,
right
goes.
there.
Nah.
Sumo squat.
Better than that.
Sumo squatting, dude. Oh, dude,
Well,
look.
Here's your sumo squad.
Oh yeah. I get. Oh really?
So it already has the ding.
How much did you spend on the car alone?
Like, as we speak, I probably spent like over 13, 14 grand.
Do you regret?
No, hell no. Yeah, I got the airtekk air struts with the airlift 3P management.
Nice. That thing looks sick, man. Woo!
Like next year, I'm planning to go more crazy.
What are you gonna do, Rocket Bunny?
No, I'm keeping the body kit, but I'm gonna do something different.
You guys bored with taking photos of Clyde's car?
I mean, I probably have.
I got bazillion.
No, because it's just crazy
This
enough.
is the third shoot in the same week
Yeah.
with Clyde's car.
Yeah.
Really?
No.
If you want to count into Sunday. Remember Sunday, Saturday?
One.
Actually, in between Friday.
And they
till
shot
now.
in the snow, which is like 3 shoots on its. Yo, Danny, hit him with the advice of the day.
Advice of today is don't let yeah, I don't fucking know.
Advice for Danny for the day. Don't think too hard, just think about it.
Interior wise, I just have a Brom fixed back.
Shout out to Randy. What's up, Randy?
Yeah, I love Randy, yo.
Yo,
I love you, Randy.
confess your love to Randy right
I
now.
fucking love you, bro.
And then Thomas?
Thomas, he's funny and I love him. I love him too.
Yeah.
Everyone.
Eliminate.
Yeah.
New Jersey, come here.
You should, yo. You should come here, Randy.
Clyde said he'll let you slide his car.
Oh hell yeah.
Yeah.
All fucking day, I'm down. With the fabric, it's a fishtail fabric. I actually saw that from Casbro, from his old WRX wagon.
Mm-hmm.
He had that for his interior. So I was like, where can I find this? And luckily I found it on eBay. And then I ordered it and just wrapped it.
And you did the center console too to match?
Yeah,
The seats, I love the seats, man.
thank you.
Did you regret trading your seats? I mean, getting rid of your old seats though?
No.
Powers?
No,
You don't care?
I don't.
You're wild, man. And then you got the airlift controller, obviously. Kept the same steering wheel.
Huh?
Didn't want to go quick release?
I bought the Nardi deep corn steering wheel. I just had to buy the quick release.
I got it. Name 5 things that you hate about your 370.
5 things I hate. Hard. I mean, the blind
Alright.
spots
Blind spots suck.
and the fact that it's red, so the cops love me. Worst ticket I got is doing a 80 on a 45. It's like 6 points,
Holy shit.
but I paid it off. My mom doesn't want me to like, have that record since I'm new to the US.
Say something in Filipino to mom.
Ma, love you. That's not Filipino, but it's Filipino accent. And that, my air freshener is like, tongue in the mo.
Oh!
Mo is you. So putang ina mo means your mom's a whore. But
Oh, really? What'd you say?
I had to come into here so I could just see that car right there, man.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Dude, it's the new Porsche.
Yeah?
No, no.
What? Jose, man.
Justin, bro.
All right, Justin.
You're-
I saw it. Go here real quick and check that out, man.
Are we in the way?
No, leave it.
Oh,
I
okay.
just came here to see the car.
Thank you, brother.
All right, take it easy, man.
No way.
Damn, Clyde! You got that hype, dog!
see, I broke his neck, yo. Look, I broke his trailer.
You broke. He swerved on you.
No way.
Alex is about to get fired because he needs to go to work.
I do.
So we're gonna say peace out to him. Take care, bud.
see
It
you,
was a
sir.
pleasure meeting you. Yo, Alex, do a big fat burnout.
I mean, I have a GTI now.
It's okay. We'll hold you back.
Air down a little bit. Yeah. All right, you got. Alright.
Hey, Clyde, hit him with it. Oh! Yo, tag. Yo, reenact that squat. Ready? Go. Oh, damn. Damn, bro.
You see this shit?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, you never told me you had a tank.
Who's man's right now?
I can't floss to save my life.
Floss
Don't
it.
judge me.
It's all right. We'll call it the Carlton. We'll call it the Carlton. All right, guys. So we are just chilling right now in the back lot. As I said before, Danny's hit you with B-roll. What do you think, Danny? You think you got some
Looks good.
some good stuff?
Yep.
I love the colors on this car. What do you think, Danny?
Oh.
Danny, what do
Reminds me
you?
of Christmas.
It reminds you of Christmas?
Just in time for the season. Even though I'm Jewish, I support all religions.
You're not Jewish. I think this is one of the coolest cars we've shot so far.
I think so, yeah. He was in the MSU Car Mate show, if you don't remember that.
I don't remember that.
You remember that?
You hit him with it?
I hit him with that.
And I have the stage 3 clutch, the southbound clutch.
So Clyde just told me that his exhaust is leaking pretty bad. He's gonna purchase a wide pipe. We'll probably work on his car soon. Right?
Yeah. I'm probably getting a new exhaust system. I'm not sure yet.
So 370Z exhaust system with Clyde.
Yeah.
We'll check it out. But just did a quick vlog, did a quick shoot. I wanted to see Dean. I haven't seen him in a long time. I actually haven't seen him since drift season. It's getting a little cold. I know he's freezing. Clyde gets to drive Porsches all day with heat.
But do you guys think that he should build like a stance car? Let him know in the comment section below. Cause like he never owned a stance car before, so I think it's gonna be dope if you build the one.
I'm building my Ruckus. That's a stance car.
Nah, a stance car. A stance car.
Yo,
Just seizing the hell
Dean,
out.
what do you got to say, bro?
Dude, just another fun day in the life, man. 16 Mark 1. Right now, I have my like shittiest lens pause. You can pick this up for like $200, 150 if like dude's on crack, but gets the job done.
Any advice to future photographers?
To the point of like learn the basics. Don't like go try and like kill the fucking game or you're gonna like try and think about doing. Just get your basics down. Figure out aperture control, aperture and shutter control with everything, and basics are key.
Definitely hit up my boy Tag. Check out his page. He's got fire content all around. Super high quality shots, no matter where he is, what he does.
Yeah.
So we're definitely gonna link
There's
up
some ideas
soon.
there.
We'll link up at the end of the week, and we got something for you guys. We didn't let off on the just because we got a free Ruckus doesn't mean that the stance videos. We got to get more stancey, as Clyde says, because he only watches the vlogs because of stance, and we have none. He's saying we got no class.
I watched the vlog. I watched the vlog.
He said you only drift. You only drift. You gotta make the Filipinos proud. But again, please like, share, subscribe. Clyde, hit him with it.
With what?
I don't know. Just tell him something.
Yo, I'm bad with that, yo.
Yo, just say something. Say something. Outro.
I got it.
What? Yo, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more dope content. You feel me? Check us out on YouTube and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button and comment. Got it? Gang, gang.